Sweet test is probably the most liked test of the world. Let's learn in detail the benefits of sweet test, its effect on the body, general qualities of substances having sweet test, who should have sweet and who should not, etc. Effect of sweet test on three dosh. Sweet increases Kapha dosh and decreases Vata and Pitta dosh. Sweet test is constituted by earth and water elements. Both these add the qualities of coldness and heaviness to the body. Because both earth and water are cold and heavy, hence it increases Kapha, which has similar qualities. Pitta can be compared to fire. Imagine if you want to put off the fire, you would throw either water or sand over the fire to put it off. In the same way, sweet helps to pacify Pitta. Vata dosh is like air. Since sweet does not contain any air or space element, it pacifies Vata dosh. It increases strength of sense organs and nourishes them. Qualities of sweet test. It is unctuous, coolant and heavy to digest. Softness and coldness due to water element and heaviness due to earth element are the two qualities of sweet test. Effect of sweet test on the body and mind. Sweet test is compatible to the body by birth. It improves body fluid, blood, muscle fat, bone marrow, semen and longevity. It brings happiness to mind. It is nourishing and soothing to the five sense organs, include mind. It is enlivening, promotes growth and enhances quality of life. It coats the tongue. It promotes natural path for the movement of fluids and matters inside the body. It is satiating and quenches thirst. It brings about quick fracture healing. It acts as an aphrodisiac, promotes pregnancy and lactation. It relieves burning sensation and improves skin complexion. It is useful in relieving the effects of external trauma. It nourishes all the body tissues and promotes growth. It increases strength, influences skin color, improves body stability, improves life expectancy. It acts as an antitoxic agent. It is soothing to the nose, mouth, throat, lips and tongue. Benefits of sweet test. Sweet test is understood by its quality of sticking in the oral cavity, providing a feeling of contentment, pleasure to the body and comfort to the sense organs. It is liked even by ants. Sweet test being accustomed since birth, it provides greater strength in the body tissues. It is very good for children, aged, wounded, emaciated. Improves skin complexion, hairs, strength of sense organs, etc. Sweet test causes stoutness of the body, good for the throat, increases breast milk and unites fractured bones. Sweet test is not easily digestible. It is unctuous and mitigates Vata, Pitta and poison. By excess use, it produces disease arising from the fat and Kapha like obesity, asthma, unconsciousness, diabetes, enlargement of glands of the neck, malignant tumors and such others. Generally, substances of sweet test increases Kapha except old rice, barley, green gram, wheat, honey, sugar and meat of desert animals. Examples of sweet test: ghee, gold ashes, jaggery, jackfruit, honey, raisins and Leptadenia reticulata. Symptoms due to excessive sweet test consumption. It causes obesity, increase of moisture, increased softness, lethargy, feeling sleepy all the time, increased heaviness of the body, anorexia, lack of interest in the food, lack of digestion strength, growth or lipoma over face and throat, worsening of respiratory diseases like cough, cold, asthma and rhinitis, fever with chills and bloating, sweet test on the tongue, vomiting, lack of sensation, voice changes, intestinal worms, excessive growths and tumors, eye disorders. Characteristic features of sweet test. Sweetness is characterized by oiliness, unctuousness, deliciousness, delightfulness, softness. When consumed, it pervades all over the mouth as it is adherent to the mouth. Why sweets should be eaten first in the meals? As per Ayurveda, sweets should be taken as a first part of meals. because ahead of meals the person will be excessively hungry. Sweet brings satiation and contentment. Sweets are usually avoided at the end of meals. As per Ayurveda, soon after food intake, digestion process starts, and during this time, the Kapha dosh will be dominant. That's why soon after taking food, we feel full and lethargic. Sweet can directly increase Kapha dosh, which is undesired soon after meals. Hence, sweets are taken as a first part of food.